Welcome to my channel Fashion Iksha. Trace a front pattern or any basic bodice block. From the center front, mark 1 inches for button closure. Now draw a line parallel to a center front. From the shoulder slope, mark half an inches downwards and draw a line joining button closure line intersecting highest point of shoulder. Extend a center front line and now locate a midpoint of neck width, that is 1.5 inches. From the highest point of shoulder, mark a neck deep, that is 11 inches I am marking here, and draw a line from a neck deep to highest point of shoulder, and again from the neck deep to a midpoint of the neck width, and extend a line from the midpoint of the neck and mark 3 inches, that is back neck width at the midpoint line, and from the point mark 1.5 inches on either side, that is again 3 inches of the back neck width, and from the highest point of shoulder join a point, and again from the center front line join the point, and join both the points and mark half an inches upwards for a seam. And now with the help of armhole curve, draw a collar shape. Now before cutting a pattern, mark the folding line, mark at the folding line. Now cut the pattern according to the marking. This completes the shawl collar pattern. Front view of the collar pattern. See a front of the collar pattern and the back panel.